Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, Edmond Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve if you're coming across an issue with the MSBCP100 or 100.dll is missing on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer, and the error message reads, the program can't start because MSBCP100.dll is missing from your computer. Try reinstalling the program to fix this problem. Kung paano ba natin ito i-fix, and without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to open up on a search menu. And dito sa search for app, so kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung settings, and then i-click mo lang dito yung open. So dito lang sa left side menu, and select mo lang dito yung apps, at dito sa right side ay makikita mo dito yung installed apps, yung pinakauna lang. So i-click mo lang yan. So dito lang sa installed apps at dito sa search apps, so kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung Microsoft Visual. Ayan. And then automatic mga kaibigan na mag-a-appear dito. So ang gagawin natin dito is i-locate mo lang yung pwedeng i-modify. Kasi hindi lahat dito na Microsoft Visual C ay pwede itong i-modify. Okay, so dito lang sa right side ay kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung tatlong dots. So click mo lang yan. And then next ay kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung modify. And then if you receive user account control, and i-click mo lang dito yung yes. And then dito sa modify setup, and then kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung repair. And wait natin na ma-complete yung processings, initializings, and diagnostic process. Alright, so makikita mo na dito na setup successful. And then the next step, so close lang natin yan. And then another solution na pwede natin gawin is to run the FFC tools. Kung paano ba yan natin gawin, all you have to do is to open up again on a search menu. And dito sa search for apps, so kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung CMD, or ito yung tinatawag na command prompt. And kailangan mo lang mag-right click and select mo lang dito yung run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and i-click mo lang dito yung yes. So once na-open mo na itong administrator command prompt, and the next step ay kailangan lang natin i-enter yung command keyword na sfc /scan now. So in all small letter lahat, and then yung /scan now ay one word yan, and press mo lang yung enter. And beginning system scan, this process will take some time. Beginning verification space of system scan. So dito ay kailangan lang natin hintay na ma-complete ang verifications into 100%. And finally, verifications 100% complete. And next step, so close lang natin tong CMD. At dito lang sa start menu, and kailangan mo lang mag-restart. Okay, click mo lang yan. Alright, so ganoon lang po kasimple on how to fix MSBCP100.dll missing error in Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.